The sad tale of Gerhilde, the Mamod Quarry loco, and events, of the last couple of days. I was treating her to a nice chime whistle, mounted as is traditional horizontally, because she hasn't had any embellishments really compared to the other locos in the workshop. In the course of which she rolled freely off the workbench and landed on my foot. Well, Fred lost his head, which is now back in place, and scraped his cap a bit. The pressure gauge got bumped slightly and moved. That's fixable. Well, it's fixed now. But I didn't realise that there had been a casualty, and the casualty was the original gas tank and control knob. Displayed here, gas tank was in that orientation with the control knob coming out of the side here, and that hung out slightly over the edge here. Where that one's vertical, this was horizontal. Anyway, it snapped off. Mamod have gone out of business, so I couldn't source a new one. So what's happening is, what's happened temporarily is that I've borrowed a gas tank and jet from one of my Mamod road engines, and there is a new gas tank on order from Bix via Forest Classics to replace this one here. I've tested her on the bench. What I haven't done yet is to run her. So let's see how that goes. It's a powerful loco when running correctly, and always need something to tame her. So to do the taming, I have to use one of my electric locos and a relatively heavy train. The gas a bit splattery on lighting. I'm never quite sure whether this is too much air or not enough, so I did a little bit of fiddling around with moving the jet, which seemed to solve things eventually. Judy setting off around the Nibelung line in an anti-clockwise circuit. We're into leaf fall season, so I need to check that the line is clear before sending a manually controlled live steam around it. The last thing I want is a derailment, more damage to the loco. All is clear on the Nibelung line, so now Judy can head to Kirschbaum in Wald and collect the freight train that they're going to haul as a double header around the line. I've tried using Gerhilde as the train engine rather than the pilot engine. The problem then is that she's so powerful she tends to push the pilot engine off. So now she always goes in front and is held back rather than pushed back. And now for a change of direction. I've done a little bit more fiddling with the jet and principally controlling the primary air intake. There was not enough, now there's plenty. In this direction, I seem to be able to leave them unattended just to get on with running round and round. Happy with that. Looking forward to the new gas tank arriving that will actually fit. This one's sort of balanced on things. Test session end. Decommissioning the loco by blowing down the boiler. I'm happy with that. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.